beautiful Native American girls and young women of the Gilded Age. In this video, we use AI to restore and colorize vintage photographs of 10 Native American girls and young women from the Gilded Age. We then take these images a step further by transforming them into subtle motion videos. Watch as their portraits come to life with clarity, color, and gentle movement, revealing beauty, presence, and personality that have remained hidden for decades. Let's get started. OOB, Kiowa young woman, 1894. Smiles were uncommon in 19th century photography, which makes this 1894 portrait especially striking. Taken in Oklahoma by George W. Bretz, the image shows OOB of the Kiowa people smiling openly at the camera. Dressed in a traditional elk tooth garment, her relaxed pose and joyful expression offer a rare, human glimpse into the past. Neda Parker, sometimes called Needle Parker, Comanche Nation young woman, 1890s. Born February 23, 1884 in Comanche, Oklahoma. Died January 12, 1968 in Lawton, Oklahoma. This is a well-known historical photo of Neda Parker, the daughter of the prominent Comanche chief Quanah Parker and Tonarcy Parker. Neda married Aubrey Birdsong, had at least 2 daughters, and lived in Oklahoma. The photograph was taken by an individual named W. Drake. Hattie Tom, Chiricahua Apache, 1899. Photographed by Frank Reinhardt. Unnamed daughter of the prominent Comanche chief Quanah Parker, 1891. Photographed by James Mooney. Unnamed Kiowa Girl, 1892. Photographed by James Mooney. Unnamed Native American young woman in traditional dress. Unknown photographer. Gertrude Three Finger, Cheyenne, 1892. This portrait shows Gertrude Three Finger, a young Cheyenne woman, wearing a traditional outfit adorned with elk teeth. Photographed by William E. Irwin. Unnamed Comanche Girl, 1885. Unknown photographer. Unnamed Native American woman, circa 1895. Photographed by George A. Addison. Unnamed Native American teen girls, late 1800s. Unknown photographer. Thanks for watching. We'll be sharing more vintage photo videos soon. So if you're interested, please subscribe.